This low-mile 2015 Tuscany FTX is what we like to call the best of everything. For starters, there's simply nothing more useful than a truck, especially a crew cab. Ford's Coyote motor offers excellent performance, and Tuscany's tweaks add just the right amount of luxury and capability. This cool F-150 was already a nicely optioned lariat when it rolled off the assembly line. And naturally, when Ford authorized specialty vehicle manufacturer Tuscany Motor Company got their hands on it, things got taken to a whole new level. That aggressive stance starts with a 6-inch lift that's upfitted with Tuscany tuned shocks. The ruby red metallic body is given some choice updates thanks to an aggressive front bumper and functional ram air hood. And featuring Tuscany cladding and fender flares, everything sits on 20-inch Tuscany wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrains. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and flexible driving environment that features enough room to be your vehicle of choice for virtually any adventure. FTX branded leather dresses big Ford seats, which boast heating, cooling, and full power adjustment for front passengers. A boxy dash hangs push-button ignition next to dual-zone climate control, voice-activated navigation, and optional Sony audio. A wide center console is fashioned around a car-like shifter. And featuring all the modern technology they should need, the driver spins a heated steering wheel around adaptive cruise control. Lift the functional hood to reveal Ford's storied 5-liter mod motor. Officially named Coyote, the 385 horsepower mill sends power through a 6-speed auto back to an electronic locking differential and 373 gears. Why pay dealer markup on a brand new F-150 when you can have a nicer ride at a better price? In the words of Tuscany, step up to rugged luxury. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.